Hello everyone, I'm Yusuf Yiğit Korkmaz. I'm computer science student at Bilkent University and this is my Phys102 project. My project aims to provide a clearer understanding of electrical resistivity by exploring how the resistance of a conductive wire is affected by its length. And here is the equipment that I will use in my experiment. Equipments are electrical power source, set of cables, multimeter, extended metal wire and micrometer. Here you see the setup. In order to calculate the resistance of the metal wire, I should calculate the current goes through the metal wire. Therefore, I connect the multimeter serial to my circuit. I use nickel wire as my metal wire. And in order to make my experiment safe, I use 5 voltages. Because nickel wire was not insulated, therefore it may burn up the wood, the plank underneath. As you can see, I move my metal and change the length of the metal wire. I use 5 different length values, which starts from 10 centimeters and go to 90 centimeters. While doing the experiment, I tried to be careful while recording the results of multimeter in order to lessen the human-based errors. With the current values I found, I applied Ohm's law and I obtained resistance values. As you can see, length and resistance values are directly proportional to each other. And in order to find the resistivity, I need area in my formula. To find area, I use micrometer and I obtain diameter as 0.24 millimeter. And by applying pi r square, I obtained the value for A. With my length, area and resistance values, now I can calculate the resistivity. And as you see, resistivity values is not dependent on the length, area or resistance. The slight difference that you see is about measurement errors and some material imperfections. To summarize, in this experiment, we found that the resistance of a metal wire increases as the length of the wire gets longer. This matches what we expected from Ohm's law. When we used the measured values to calculate resistivity, most of the results were close to each other, which shows that our experiment worked well overall. However, there were some small differences in the resistivity values. This could have happened because of a few common errors. For example, the wire connections might not have been perfect, which can cause extra resistance. The measuring tools, like multimeter and micrometer, may not have been very precise, and we could have made small mistakes when we reading or recording the data. To make this experiment better in the future, we can use better connection clips, take more careful measurements, and repeat each step a few times to be more accurate. Even with these small errors, our results showed the main idea clearly. Longer wires have more resistance, and we can use this to understand resistivity better.